Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So today in this video, we are going to learn how to send Thrivecart sales notification on Slack automatically. Now suppose guys you are using Thrivecart as an e-commerce platform to sell some products, this automation is going to help you a lot. So using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new sale on our Thrivecart account, on our Thrivecart store, automatically the details of that new sale will be sent as a message on our Slack channel to update our team members as well. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name it as Thrivecart to Slack. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Thrivecart account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. So that every time we receive a new sale on our Thrivecart account, the details of that new sale of the purchase should be received inside Pabbly Connect over here. And then this automation workflow will trigger. After this, using this Pabbly Connect's automation, we are going to send the details of the new sale which we have received from Thrivecart to Slack as a message so that we can update our team members about the new sale which has just now happened on our Thrivecart account. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, here in Choose App, search for Thrivecart over here. Just select it. After selecting a trigger application, the next thing it asks us is the trigger event. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of different trigger events over here. Out of all of this, to get the new product purchase or new sales details, you have 2 different trigger events. First one is the product purchase and second one is product purchase all products. If you want to send the details of the sale of a specific product as a message on your Slack channel, in that case, you can use this trigger as product purchase. But if you want to send the details or the sales notification for each and every product, for each and every order you receive on Thrivecart, you want to send the details of each and every product, you can select product purchase all over here. So if you want to set up this automation for some specific products, you can select product purchase. And if you want to set up this automation for each and every product, you can select product purchase all. So let me select product purchase all over here. I will be selecting this trigger event. After selecting this trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Thrivecart account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our Thrivecart account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get it, just go to your Thrivecart account and after reaching here, on the right side, just click on this profile option and from this drop down, go to settings. After coming to the settings page, here you can see an option of API and webhooks. Just click on it and just go to API key section. Here you can see a list of all the API keys which we have created in our Thrivecart account. So right now I have only one API key which I have created. Let me click on this create API key button and give this API key a name. For example, I'll name it as Pabbly. And then just click on create API key button. Now you can see that this API key has been generated in my Thrivecart account. We just have to copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this API key, just click on save. And when we click on save, we will see our Thrivecart account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the product status. So here guys, in this dropdown, you can see 2 different product status options, test mode or live mode. So for which type of product we want to set up this automation workflow, we have to select that product type or product status over here. So if I want to set up this automation for the products which I have in test mode in my Thrivecart account, in that case, we are going to select test mode. Or if I want to set up this automation for the products which I have live mode, like here you can see some of the products are live and some of the product are in test mode over here. So the details of the product of which status we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, we have to select that product status over here. So if you are setting up this automation for the product which are in live mode, you can select live over here. But right now, I'm setting up this automation for the product which are in test mode. So I will be selecting test mode over here. After selecting the product status, just click on save and send test request. And when we click on save and send test request, you will see it has now changed to waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the details of a new sale of a new product purchase from Thrivecart. So let's do it. We will just go to a Thrivecart account, and because we have selected the product status as test mode, I will be selecting a product from my Thrivecart account. For example, I have this product named as my first plan, and I will be making a test purchase for this product. We will go to the get URL section and then we'll just go to the checkout page of this product. And here it is. So this is the checkout page of this particular product. Now, instead of this, you can basically use any other product of your choice as well. You can use any product in test mode over here from your Thrivecart account. And the details of that same product will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's make a test payment over here. Let me select this product as physical product, click on get URL, and then we'll just open the checkout page for this product. You can basically select any product in that product type. Like you can select any test product or any live product. Then it is asking us for the contact information of the user. So for example, I'll write the name on the email address of the user, demo user. This is the name of the customer who is placing the order. This is the email address and this is a dummy mobile number. Let's click on continue. Let's select the state or the address as well. Let me enter the address. Bhopal. This is the zip code and continue. Now here guys, because this product is in the test mode, I will be making a test payment for this product. Just click on this copy card number button and paste it over here. Let's add a expiry date and a CVV, some test card details, and click on complete order. Now we will see this order will be placed on our Thrivecart account. So within few seconds, we will be receiving an order, a new purchase or a new sale on our Thrivecart account. And as we receive this purchase, we will see instantly within seconds, the details of this exact same sale will be received inside Pabbly Connect as well, because we have connected our Pabbly Connect account with Thrivecart over here. So the purchase is made successfully. Just now we have received a new sale on our Thrivecart account, and we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and we will see within few seconds, here we have received the response. And in this response, you will get the details of the exact same sale, exact same order. Here you can see the same amount, that is 100. So the order was placed for $100 over here. The total physical product price is $100. Then we will scroll down further. Here you can see the shipping amount, that is $5 over here. We will scroll down further. You can see the product ID for the product which the customer has ordered. You can see the name of the product. Scroll down further. You will see all the other details regarding this same order. So we will see the details of the customer, like we have the address of the customer which they have entered while placing the order. We have the name of the customer. Also, you can see the email address and mobile number of the customer as well. So all the details entered by the user while placing the order, we have received the details, each and every details of that customer and the order inside Pabbly Connect. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, what we want to do, we want to basically send these details of a new sale, of a new order from Thrivecart to Slack over here. So to send these details of the new order from Thrivecart to Slack, what we have to do, we will just scroll down and come to our action window. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for Slack over here. Just select Slack. After selecting Slack, an action event from this drop down, select the action event as Send Channel Message. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Slack account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Slack button, and then here we have to select the type of the connection. So while connecting our Slack account with Pabbly Connect, we can basically set up two different types of connection. First one is the user-based connection and second one is a bot-based connection. Now, what is the difference between a user-based connection and a bot-based connection? Here in this help text, you can see the hyperlink. And when you will click on this hyperlink, it will take you to a page on our forum. And at this page, you can see the complete difference between the user-based connection and a bot-based connection. So you can refer to this page and decide what type of connection you want to set up. So right now, I want to set up a user-based connection. So I will be entering user over here and then just click on save. Now, when we click on save, because I have already logged into my Slack account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account over here. So what we have to do, we will just scroll down and click on this allow button over here. And as we click on allow button, we will see our Slack account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting our Slack account, the first thing it asks us is the channel. That on our Slack account, on which particular channel we want to send the message with the new sales details. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the channels which I have created in my Slack account over here. Out of all of them, I have a channel named as Thrivecart Sales. And on this particular channel, I want to send the details of the new sale which we are receiving from Thrivecart. So here guys, in Pabbly Connect for this particular drop down, here you can see a list of all the channels, and out of all of these channels, we want to select the channel on which we want to send the message. So I have selected Thrivecart Sales as the channel. Then it is asking us for the message, that what is the message that we want to send. So I want my message to be, hello team. Okay, so this is the message which I want to send on my Slack channel. Hello team, we have received a new sale on Thrivecart. Thrivecart, here it is. Product name, customer name, email, mobile number and amount. These are the details of the new sale which I want to send on my Slack channel with the message. Now here guys, we have received all of these details which we want to mention in this message from Thrivecart when we captured the response of a new sale. So here you can see when we will scroll down, you can see the total amount for the payment. Here you can see the name of the product ordered by the customer. Then we will scroll down and you can see the details of the customer as well. Like we have the name of the customer, we have the email address and also the contact number. So what we have to do, one by one, we have to map all of these details of the new purchase, of the new sale, which we have received from Thrivecart from this trigger window. We have to one by one map all of these details over here in this action step of message. Now here guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Like here in this message, in front of product name, we want to mention the name of the product which is ordered by the customer. So we will just click here, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Thrivecart. And out of all of these responses, select the response of product name and it will be mapped. So here's the response of product name, purchase name. Just select this response and map it. Then it is asking us for the name of the customer. So from this drop down, I will be selecting the response of the customer name. So we'll scroll down and search for the response. Here it is. Just select this response and map it. Then let's map the email address of the customer. So I'll just search for email. The customer email is here. Just select it and map it. Then let's map the mobile number. So let's search for the contact number. Just select and map it. And at last, we have to map the response of amount, that what was the total amount of the payment. So here you can see this total amount. Just select this response and map it. So in this way, all the details of a new sale, of a new Thrivecart purchase which you want to send on your Slack channel as a message, one by one you can map all of these details of a new sale over here in this message. Right now in this video, I have just created this simple basic message. But if you want, you can basically create any message of your choice and you can map any purchase details which we have received from Thrivecart over here. After message, it is asking us for the image URL and image alt text. So using this action event, you can also send some kind of images on your Slack channel as a message. But right now in this video, we don't want to send any kind of images over here. So if you want, you can ignore these fields for now. Then it is asking us for the bot name and bot icon. So if you have created the connection type as bot-based connection, like right now we have selected user-based connection while connecting Slack with Pabbly Connect. But if you have created some kind of bot-based connection, then here you have an option to change the name of the bot and the icon of the bot as well. You can basically give any name to the bot who is going to send the message on our Slack channel. And the display picture of that particular bot can also be changed, and you can just have to enter the link the URL of the image which you want to set up as the display picture of that bot, the bot icon as well. But right now we have created a user-based connection. So if we want, we can ignore this field for now. Then it is asking us some more details like auto expand link, link username and channel name, reply broadcast, and thread message ID. So all of these fields are not mandatory, not required. So if you want, you can ignore these fields for now as well. Then just scroll down and click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have entered over here, basically the message which we have created, this message with all the details of the new sale which we have received on our Thrivecart account, all of these details are sent as a message on our Slack channel over here. So let's check it. We will go to a Slack account, and yes, here you can see that on the same Slack channel, Thrivecart Sales, we have received a message. And in this message, you can see the details of the exact same order which we have placed, exact same test order which we have placed just now. Here you can see the same name of the product which the customer has ordered. You can see the same customer name, same email address, mobile number, and amount of the order as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. Once again, we will just go to a Thrivecart account, and this time here you can see we have this product named as PHP language course. This is also a test product. Let's click on this get URL button, and then let's open the checkout page of this product. Let me enter the details of a user, for example, test user. This is the name of the customer who is placing the order. This is the email address, and this is the dummy mobile number over here. Let's click on continue, copy the test card, and let's make another test payment over here. Complete order. So we will see just now we will be receiving a new order on our Thrivecart account. And because we have created this automation, we will see automatically as we receive this order, a message will be sent on our Slack channel with the same order details over here. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that just now the order has been successfully received on our Thrivecart account. And we will see as we receive this order, within few seconds, a message will be sent on our Slack channel. So we'll just go to the Slack account, and yes, here you can see that just now we have received a new message on our Slack channel. The message is the same product name which the customer has ordered just now, the same product for which we have placed the test order. You can see the same customer name, test user, the same email address, also the mobile number, and here you can see the amount of this payment is $1, the same amount for which we have received the payment over here. This means, guys, we have tested this automation in real time, and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can actually clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.